Back with another video today. We're in the workshop and we are doing a wheel bearing, well, hub technically, on Ryan's dad's Kia.
Yeah! I think we need to be a bit more umphy in it.
Bit more what?
Umphy.
This. We're fitting this because the wheel bearing on it's shot, and we'll show you.
Let's have a look.
No, I'm getting the wheel off. Quick look at how much play it's got. Jesus Christ. I ain't seen one of this bad in a while.
Means we couldn't be asked to press a hub out because it's hard work. What we've got to do is change over the whole knuckle. So disc off, caliper off, top arm off. Got a track rod end down here to get off, and then just your bottom ball joint just here, and obviously push your drive shaft through. Then it should all come off complete arm. And we've got an ABS sensor as well, so we ain't got to worry about that.
While I'm editing this, I've realised that the marks don't work for a lot of it. So what I'm saying here is that I'm going to unplug the ABS sensor. You can get to it just here. I will point to it, I'm fairly sure. There's the plug. Just unplug it and you pull it out through the other side of the wheel arch. Just there, as my mate Ryan's pointing to.
Right, so then we've got to get the top arm out, pop it out like that, and then we've got to use the air hammer to get the drive shaft out because it's tighter than I am. As like any job, you get seized parts, and we've got a track rod end that won't come out. So we took it out of the track rod, and we ordered one anyway because we thought it was going to be seized. What happens when shit don't come undone? You don't use one, you use two of the fuckers. Right, so we've got the hub off with a bit of gas because it's a rotten old thing, bless it. And if you can see, we've got a fair bit of play in it. So all we've got to do now is get these Phillips out, hopefully, get the disc off, and put it on the brand new second-hand hub.
Drill both of the Phillips out, so we're just smacking the disc off the hub now. And out she comes.
Look, Jay. Wheel bearing, very, very, very bad.
You're not impressed with the wire brush, Jay?
No, what the fuck? Oh, fucking more air, no, more airs on the bottom of my balls than on there.
What are you doing?
Oh, they've still got to make a dog out of it. Fucking cogs and everything. I've got to make a dog.
Oh, for fuck's sake. What do you reckon, Jay?
It's going to be you when you're older. So
It's not.
Yeah,
It's not.
Instead of making a dog, he's going to make some sort of fucking contraption that bloody builds dogs for him.
Alright, get on with it.
Alright.
So, now we've got everything on, we've managed to get the disc bolts off. And basically, this is the only downside of doing work yourself. Luckily, we've got the tools that we need. Just to get the two Phillips disc bolts out, so these are the tools that we've had to use.
Obviously you've got oxyacetylene, you've got drills because some of the batteries are flat, you've got WD-40, you've got air hammer, wire brush,
Not mentioning the hammer and the bits
yeah,
that we've bent,
the vice.
twisted and vice. If you ain't got this stuff, then you ain't going to be able to do it, you're just going to make yourself stuck. I mean, in all honesty, we were here Monday night trying to do it, and we had Thursday for a hammer. We were trying to use this hammer to get the drive shaft out, to get the track rod end out, and it wasn't going to work, so we've had to use the one from work, borrow it. And it's just not as simple as people would make it out to be. You are going to go through stuff
And get stuck. But it is obviously possible if the bolts aren't seized, but when you've got a car that's so free plate, 103,000 miles, it's still a brilliant car, but you're going to expect things to be seized, aren't you, mate?
You are.
Yeah, get bottom arm on. I'll get the nut ready. If you just want to pull
Over
it.
up or no?
But hey, you get a new one. Dang right with you.
How did you even get that out? Was it Bushwood? Oh, well, yeah.
What I'll do, I'll put an axle that I'll use it again.
You fucking, you didn't do it.
I know.
Look right. Track would end. Very, very, very bad.
Well, I'm quite pleased it's come out and it's not been as too bad as I thought. Put the disc on. Put a bit of copper grease on it.
On the disc.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, this is thickest copper grease in the world. I don't know why it's like this. Look,
Yeah.
compared to what we're like used to.
That brush is fucking terrible.
I think it's just because it's fucking thick. Normally you're like this, ain't you? Yeah, you had some spray, didn't you, once?
What, spray grease?
Copper grease, sorry. Just comes out as a spray. Oh, what is that? Right, so drive shaft's nuts tight, caliper carrier bolt's tight, top arm's tight, bottom arm's tight, track rod end's tight, and the track rod's tight. So should be able to put wheel on. Road tester. See if she's rumbling still. Shouldn't be doing that, brand new. Ain't gonna play on this one. We ain't obviously got any securing bolts, but the wheel holds it on, yeah. So we'll just double check the torques on that after. You get a little bit of grease around here. Same brush you use for your hair, isn't it, Jay?
No brush you use to paint that moustache on there.
Right. Right, she's all torqued up. Road test time, torque it again. Gotta get out the workshop now. Drives nice and straight. What do you reckon, Jake? Give me a wheel bearing.
No, but I reckon you definitely can't tell whether it drives straight on a road or
No, these aren't the best of roads. To be fair though, they don't drive like, they're like a bit like Defenders, you know, they're a bit sloppy. A bit like that. But oh, drives like a new one. So that is another video done. A Hyundai. No, it's not a Hyundai. Sorry, that's a different car. It's a Kia Sorento wheel bearing change. Well, hub change because the wheel bearing's a bit difficult to do, and we haven't got the tools here to do it. So yeah, that's how to do it. Massive thanks for watching. Please check out the other videos. A Hyundai Tucson engine, and all the other videos we've got the Golf. So thanks, Jay.
Yeah, another video done. Thank you very much for watching, and we hope to see you soon. Please make sure you check out all of our socials: Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, which you're on, and we are on TikTok as well, which has actually been booming lately on some apprentice videos. So thanks very much for watching.